हेलो नॉलेज सीकर्स, वेलकम बैक टू द करंट नॉलेज चैनल। मैं जीनल आज आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी 6 जून से जुड़े करंट अफेयर्स के पॉइंट। सभी पॉइंट्स की पीडीएफ फाइल आप हमारी वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। वेबसाइट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद क्वेश्चन 1। व्हेन इज वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे सेलिब्रेटेड? विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस कब मनाया जाता है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 3 जून, बी 4 जून, C 5th June, D 6th June, and the correct answer is option C 5th June.
The day is celebrated to make people aware of the importance of environmental corrosion and nature. The day provides an opportunity to broaden the basics for an enlightened thought and responsible conduct by individuals, enterprise, and communities in preserving and maintaining the environment.
Question 2. Who has won the Commonwealth Short Story Prize for the Asia region? एशिया रीजन के लिए कॉमनवेल्थ शॉर्ट स्टोरी प्राइज किसने जीता है? ऑप्शंस आर ए जूही चतुर्वेदी, बी कृतिका पांडे, सी हनी ईरानी, डी गजल धालीवाल। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी कृतिका पांडे।
Writer Kritika Pandey won the Commonwealth Short Story Prize 2020 for the Asia region and was given the award for her story The Great Indian Tea and Snakes. This is the story of Hindu girl falling in love with a Muslim boy, which tells how these two youngsters are trying to spread the idea of love in times of hatred and favoritism.
Question 3. Who has been appointed the new senior advisor to the World Bank ED? विश्व बैंक के ईडी के नए वरिष्ठ सलाहकार किसको नियुक्त किया गया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए राजीव टोपनो, बी कृष्णेंदु मौजूमदार, सी वीएन दत्त, डी नन ऑफ दीज। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए राजीव टोपनो।
Senior diplomat Rajiv Topno has been appointed as a senior advisor to the executive director of the World Bank in Washington, D.C. He was currently serving as personal secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi since 2014. He is the 1996 batch IAS officer of Gujarat cadre. He has been appointed as senior advisor to the executive director of the World Bank for a period of 3 years.
Question 4. Which state has launched मेरा वेतन मोबाइल ऐप? मेरा वेतन मोबाइल ऐप किस राज्य ने लॉन्च किया? ऑप्शंस आर ए राजस्थान, बी गुजरात, सी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, डी यूपी। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर।
Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Girish Chandra Murmu has launched the salary tracker mobile app Mera Vetan for government employees. The purpose of this new application launch is to provide salary related information to employees.
Question 5. Recently, Anwar Sagar has passed away. Who was he? हाल ही में अनवर सागर का निधन हुआ है, वो कौन थे? ऑप्शंस आर A actor, B author, C singer, D none of these. And the correct answer is option C singer.
Anwar Sagar, veteran lyricist and a member of the Indian Performance Rights Society Limited, passed away. He was most famous for the hit track Vada Raha Sanam of the 1992 Akshay Kumar starrer Khiladi film.
Question 6. Who has launched the Nagar Van program? नगर वन कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ किसने किया? ऑप्शंस आर ए जीओआई, बी यूपी, सी एमपी, डी दिल्ली। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज Option A, GOI, that is Government of India.
Government of India has launched Nagar Van program with the aim of increasing the forest cover in urban areas. The Nagar Forest program has been launched with 200 corporations and cities across the country. During the launch of the program, Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar urged the people to actively participate in their areas and increase the cover of trees.
Question 7. Who has appointed the Ambassador of India to the WTO? WTO में भारत के नए राजदूत किससे सुनियुक्त किया गया है? Options are A. Brijendra Navneet, B. Rajiv Topno, C. Sushil Kumar, D. None of these. And the correct answer is option A. Brijendra Navneet.
India has appointed Brijendra Navneet as the new ambassador of India to the World Trade Organization. He is a 1999 BARS IS officer of TN cadre. He will be posted to the WTO in Geneva in the permanent mission of India.
Question 8. Who has hosted the UK's Global Vaccine Summit 2020 from India? ब्रिटेन की वर्चुअल ग्लोबल वैक्सीन समिट 2020 भारत की ओर से मेजबानी किसने की है? ऑप्शंस आर ए. अमित शाह, बी. राजनाथ सिंह, सी. नरेंद्र मोदी, डी. निर्मला सीतारमन. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. नरेंद्र मोदी. Question 9. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2020? विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस 2020 का विषय क्या था? Options are A. Zero tolerance for the illegal wildlife trade. Option B. Beat plastic pollution. Option C. Connecting people to nature. Option D. Biodiversity. And the correct answer is option D. Biodiversity. Question 10. India has pledged how much amount for the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunizations? भारत ने वैक्सीन और टीकाकरण के लिए ग्लोबल अलायंस के लिए कितनी राशि का वादा किया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए. USD 15 मिलियन, B. USD 20 million, C. USD 10 million, D. USD 5 million. And the correct answer is option A. USD 15 million.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has pledged USD 15 million to the Global Alliance for Vaccine and Immunization. He made the announcement during the Global Vaccine Summit hosted by the UK on June 4th, 2020.
Question 11. Which union ministry has launched the information booklet Safe Online Learning in the Times of COVID-19? किस केंद्रीय मंत्रालय ने सूचना पुस्तिका कोविड-19 के समय में सुरक्षित ऑनलाइन शिक्षा शुरू की है? ऑप्शंस आर ए. होम मिनिस्ट्री, बी. हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री, सी. HRD मिनिस्ट्री, डी. WCD मिनिस्ट्री. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज option C. HRD ministry, that is Human Resource Development Ministry.
The HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched an information booklet titled Safe Online Learning in Times of COVID-19, which aims to raise awareness among students and teachers regarding cyberbullying.
Question 12. Who launched the I Commit initiative on World Environment Day? विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस पर launched I Commit पहल किसने शुरू की? ऑप्शंस आर डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन, बी. रविशंकर प्रसाद, सी. RK सिंह, डी. पीयूष गोयल. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. RK सिंह. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you and bye bye.